Boom, you rocking with the best. And the best is you. It's your boy, Simon Valentine. We are in Chino Hills today. I see everything's all put in here for the pool. And voila, the pool is in. Waterfall there. Nice pool with the jacuzzi right there. Got the beautiful barbecue, the whole setup here. Seating, it's not done. We're not done yet. We're probably about 85% done here. All of this concrete work was done by our professionals. Of course, you know Simon Valentine's not pouring any concrete. All this would be lopsided if it was me, for sure. The ADU, we're in full steam ahead with the ADU as well for his mother. This is where she will be living. She actually lives with them now. Boom, walking to here. And this whole area here, kitchen, living room area. This was gonna be a window, but we sent it back through the city in order to take the window out. So we have to go through the whole entire city process again. Hopefully we can get that done quickly. And then that's her huge closet and bathroom right here. So as you can see, our licensed professionals are rocking and rolling with this. So concrete everywhere. Our team did the concrete. This is so beautiful. I'm gonna show you before pictures of all of this. This is, so if you think you can't have a pool and a ADU in your small backyard, think again. Think again. So I'm gonna get another angle on this for you. Boom. Beautiful. You know you're rocking with the best. And the best is you. It's your boy, Simon Valentine here in Chino Hills. I'm off to the next project.